Hey guys, Harsh here, back in the video. So today I've got a little special video for you because I've got a knife and a balloon. So let's get started. Okay, to open up the slow motion mode, all you have to do is open up the camera and then you can swipe up from here, and then you can see that there is an option called slow motion. So when you click on it, you will get a selection right here of the resolution. So it is at 720p at 480 fps, and if you want it to be 1080p, you can just click on it and select the 1080p, but there will be a slight problem because it will only shoot up to 240 frames per second, while as the 720p shoot as 480 fps. So if you are going to shoot some extra slow motion images, then you can choose the 720p option, or if you want a higher quality, then you can switch it to 1080p. Now another thing to notice is the crop ratio. So at 1080p, as you can see, at 240 fps, there is a pretty good lens angle to it, but when you switch to 720p, it slightly crops the image, and as you can see right now, it is capturing a very less area. Now that could be because of the frame rates that I chose or the resolution, so you have to keep that in mind. And if you really want to shoot a wide shot, then you can check our video where we show you how you can turn a smartphone camera into a DSLR camera. It is the title of the video, and there we showed a pretty good wide angle lens for a smartphone camera. You can check it out, links are in the description. Okay, once you have decided the resolution and the frame rate, then you can start shooting some slow-mo videos. We have a lot of fun creating this video. Hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the subscribe button below and give it a thumb.